Reference the position number on each box to identify the door frame, and architraves. To assemble the door frame, lay out the parts so that the deeper architrave groove is facing upwards. Apply glue to one corner on the head. Compress the glue, taking care to make sure the shape of the head lines up with the shape of the leg. Using the corner brackets and a hammer, locate one side and firmly strike to clip the parts together. Ensure that the joint on the top is flush and install screws into the pre-drilled holes on the corners. Repeat the operation on the other leg. Stand the frame up near the opening. Pack the frame in the opening so that there is a suitable gap for the expanding foam. All door frames are made with a 30mm undercut to suit a carpeted floor. If you are installing onto a hard floor, using a sharp saw, cut 20mm from the bottom of the frame legs. You must seal any cut edges with lacquer supplied. It's highly recommended to use a level on all sides of the frame to ensure it is properly plumbed. Remove the gasket on all three sides. Carefully pre-drill the frame with a 4mm drill bit and fix the frame diagonally at 300mm centers using 4x100 CSK on the hinge side. Ensure the frame is plumb and the head is level. Spot fix the frame with fire foam on the hinge side and head only. Allow foam to cure. Install the fittings into the door frame, ensuring they are properly aligned and securely fastened. Tip: whilst waiting for the foam to cure, the next door can be assembled. Once the foam has cured, unwrap the door, stand it up. Fit the door with the necessary fittings, ensuring each component is properly aligned and securely installed. Using airbags, lift up the door until you can locate the hinges and bolt into position using the machine screws provided. Using a 4mm Allen key, stand on the pull side, close the door, and ensure margins are even on the hinge side and head. Adjust as necessary. If you are satisfied with the margins, move the latch side leg of the frame into position, ensuring that the margins are even all around the frame. Once satisfied, repeat steps to screw the latch side leg and foam into position. Reinstall the gaskets into the groove to hide all of the fixings. Check again that you are satisfied with the margins and operation of the door. Then install the handle and hinge cover caps. Fully foam in the frame using B1 fire foam, taking care to ensure that you do not overfill, as it will expand. Once cured, cut off any excess foam. Locate the L30 architraves, cut to length if required. Using structural adhesive sealant, squeeze a line 100 mm long into the groove and onto the architrave at around 300 mm centers. Gently push the architrave into the groove until it is tight against the wall. Your door set installation is complete.